Hey guys, it's Max out here with TrackingPoint. Today we're at the FTW Ranch down in Texas, and we're shooting our new M107 TrackingPoint 50 cal. It's going to be going out to a mile. There's no fire control on it. All it is pressing a button to collect a ballistic solution for the range you want and engaging the target like a normal firearm. It's also calculating pressure, temperature, direction, Coriolis effect, all the nice variables that you need in order to shoot a mile, except for we're doing it with 50 cal. It's our biggest gun yet, and it should be awesome.
Right in the middle.